Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can open a camera raw image that you have imported into the organizer within the photo editor in Photoshop Elements for processing. Note that you can import a camera raw image file into the organizer using any of the many methods of importing that were mentioned in Chapter 2. When a camera raw image is imported into the organizer, it is not changed in any way, even though you can see a preview of the image appear within the organizer. This preview is simply a rendering of how the image will appear when processed, and it doesn't actually change the data contained within the associated camera raw file in any way. To open a camera raw image that has been imported into the organizer within the photo editor in Photoshop Elements for processing, select the camera raw image you want to process within the organizer. Then choose Edit, Edit with Photoshop Elements Editor from the menu bar to open the camera raw image within the camera raw dialog box in the photo editor window. Alternatively, you can also right-click the image to process in the organizer, and then choose the Edit with Photoshop Elements Editor command from the pop-up menu to perform the same task. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl+I on your keyboard to process a selected camera raw file in the organizer within the camera raw dialog box in the photo editor window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.